The Monkey and the Turtle. Upon a time, in a peaceful forest in the Philippines, lived two friends, a clever monkey and a wise turtle. Though they were different, they often helped each other and shared what they had. One day, they found a banana tree floating in the river. Look, said the monkey, if we plant it, we'll have sweet bananas to eat. They decide to divide it in half. The monkey took the top part with leaves, while the turtle took the bottom part with roots. The monkey laughed at the turtle. Ha, your tree has no leaves. It will never grow. But the turtle only smiled and patiently planted his part by the river. Days passed, and soon the turtle grew tall and grew. But the monkey tried them. When the tree finally bore fruit, the monkey became jealous. He asked the turtle, Friend, may I climb your tree and get some bananas? The kind turtle agreed, but once the monkey reached the top, he ate all the bananas, not leaving even one for the turtle below. The turtle was hurt and angry, but he stayed calm. While the monkey was busy eating, the turtle gathered sharp bamboo sticks and placed them around the tree. Calm down now, friend monkey, the turtle called. The greedy monkey jumped and landed on the spikes. Ouch! He screamed. Furious, the monkey caught the turtle. Now you'll pay for what you did. How shall I kill you? He shouted. Shall I crush you with a rock or throw you into the river? The wise turtle pretended to be afraid. Oh no, not the river. Please, I'll die there. Thinking he had won, the monkey threw the turtle into the river. But the turtle laughed and swam happily away. Thank you, friend monkey. The river is my home. The monkey was left alone, hurt and full. And so, the turtle lived peacefully once again. The greedy monkey learned that selfishness and greed always lead to trouble, while the turtle proved that patience and wisdom always win in the end. The Monkey and the Turtle, a Filipino folktale. Moral: be kind, be fair, and never let greed control you.